GMORS high-performance, reliable seal solutions play key roles in a wide variety of demanding industries. For over 30 years, GMORS has been providing high-end products trusted by customers throughout the world. A respected seal solutions brand known for top-quality products, GMORS is the ideal production partner for global manufacturers. GMORS' 3 locations significantly reduce lead times and lower costs, giving customers a definite competitive advantage. Recognized as an industry leader, GMORS has international certification for many products and manufacturing processes. GMORS produces more than 80,000 seals and sealing components for the global market. The GMORS commitment to high-quality standards begins with advanced raw materials sourced from the world's leading suppliers. Continuous research and development, from formula to molding, through to the final product, enables GMORS to provide new, innovative solutions according to customer requirements. An efficient management system, advanced equipment, and error-proof procedures ensure perfect precision and consistency throughout the entire production process. GMORS' exceptionally high-quality standards are maintained through strict monitoring and precise testing at every stage of a production run. The data gathered is analyzed and used to make further refinements and improvements. GMORS provides an open, pleasant work environment in which continuous training instills staff with a positive attitude, passion for their work and a true global perspective. Driven by a shared vision, the GMORS team have the commitment and skills to meet any challenge.
Hello, is this GMORS?
Yes, this is GMORS. How may we be of service?